Here's what real science and medical research say about the claim you might have seen on TikTok, that women who raised cats can't get pregnant because of a virus in cats. The virus in cats TikTok claim, what it's likely referring to. The viral claim is probably referencing a parasite called Toxoplasma gondii, not a virus. This parasite can be associated with cats, but the science does not support the blanket claim that cat owners can't get pregnant because of it. Toxoplasma gondii is a single-celled parasite. Cats can shed its infectious forms in their feces, but only for a short period after infection. The parasite can also be in other places like undercooked meat and soil. Does toxoplasmosis affect fertility? 1. For women. There is no solid scientific evidence that toxoplasmosis makes women infertile. Large, well-designed human studies have not shown causation between cat exposure and infertility. Some small or older studies suggest women with past infection might take slightly longer to conceive or use fertility treatments more often, but these findings are ambiguous and not conclusive. The known risk in women is mainly during pregnancy. Acquiring toxoplasmosis for the first time while pregnant can increase the risk of miscarriage or serious fetal harm. 2. For men. Some recent research suggests toxoplasma may damage sperm in lab settings or animal models, and a few small human studies have hinted at sperm abnormalities with infection. However, these findings are preliminary and not yet definitive evidence that toxoplasma causes long-term infertility in men. A lab result showing sperm damage in a dish doesn't mean it reliably causes infertility in real life. Bottom line, there is no established scientific fact that infection with a parasite from cats makes people unable to have children. What is a real risk? Toxoplasmosis can be harmful during pregnancy if a woman acquires the infection for the first time while pregnant, because the parasite can pass to the fetus and cause serious problems. That's why doctors give specific advice to pregnant women about hygiene, like avoiding cleaning litter boxes, washing hands after gardening, and avoiding undercooked meat, but the advice is about preventing infection during pregnancy, not about infertility. Why these TikTok videos are misleading. They often oversimplify or overstate early research. They may confuse fertility complications with unable to get pregnant at all. Social media posts are not peer-reviewed science. They can spread fear or exaggeration to get views. What you should know. Owning or raising cats doesn't make you infertile. The key concern with toxoplasmosis is if a person gets infected during pregnancy. Most adults who are infected show no symptoms and long-term effects on fertility are not proven. If you're worried. If you're planning to get pregnant and concerned about toxoplasmosis or fertility, you can ask your doctor for a blood test for toxo antibodies to see if you've already been exposed. Follow recommended hygiene steps if you have a cat. These are precautions, not indications of infertility.